Welcome. Let's start with a key question. How is artificial intelligence currently being used in the culinary field?
Hi. Today, AI used in many areas of culinary work. For example, it helps create new recipes based in flavor combinations, analyze food trends, optimize inventory, and reduce food waste. There are even AI-powered kitchen assistants that guide you step by step on robots that can prepare dishes with pinpoint precision.
That's so great. I also use EA to help be me in my work, checking daily inventory. Let's move on the next question. What are some of the most important technological innovation shaping the culinary industry today?
Some of the most important includes smart kitchens, loads sensors that monitor temperatures and freshness, automate kitchen robots, and even 3D food printers. Other innovations such as digital traceability, drone food delivery, and data-driven menu customization are completely transforming the food industry.
That's all great. I'd like to try these in tools in my job someday. How has your career adapted to recent technological advance in gastronomy?
My approach has changed significantly. Before, everything was done manually and based on intuition. Now, with the help of technology tools, I can plan better, conduct accurate tests, and quickly adapt to new trends. Time and resource management has become much more efficient.
What to say is true. While we used to clay ovens to bake bread, now thanks to the industry, we have digital ovens. How has technological changed the way professional kitchen operate?
In many modern restaurants, digital systems have replaced handwriting. Recipes, smart ovens can prepare software and calculate costs and margins in the real time. This makes kitchens more efficient, minimize errors, and ensures consistency in every dish.
That's true. Thanks to technology, recipes are more precise and we have less food waste. What role do you think automation will play in the future of the culinary art?
Automation won't replace human creativity, but it will make repetitive physical tasks easier. We'll likely see more robotic kitchens in fast food chains or high demand environments. This will allow chefs to focus more on creativity, menu design, and improving the customer experience.
Yes, thanks to this, we have less pressure in the kitchen and can focus more on this presentation. How can culinary students prepare for the growing use of technology in the food industry?
The most combine traditional cooking knowledge with technology skills. It's essential to learn how to use management software, data analysis, and be open to innovation. A basic understanding of food, science, sustainability, and even some culinary programming can be great advantage.
Yes, because first, to be able to apply technology, it's necessary to have basic cooking knowledge for better dish preparation. Have You used EA tools on or smart kitchen device in your work? If so, have they helped you?
Yes, I've used everything from smart ovens that cook precisely to AI systems that help create recipes based on available ingredients or customer preference. These tools help me save time, reduce waste, and give me the freedom to experiment with confidence.
That's so great. Since the kitchen requires speed to deliver a meal on the time. What challenger have you faced integrating technological into your culinary practice?
The biggest challenges have been the initial investment and the staff learning curve. Sometimes there are in resistance to change, especially from teams accustomed to traditional methods. But with proper training and passions, the transition ends up being very positive.
I agreed with you. Even I have struggled to make choose a small change winning my current job. How do you use see the balance between traditional cooking technicals and modern technology?
I think they should coexist. Technology should excite, not replace tradition. A slow cooked dish, a homemade fermentation, or ancestral technique have irreplaceable value. But if technology can improve the process without losing the sense of dish is ideal.
Yes, we should value what your grandparents taught use as a sign of respect. What is the last question? What advice you would do you give a future chef on how to adapt to technological change in the kitchen?
And don't be afraid to learn. Technology is not the enemy of art. It's a powerful tool. Stay curious, study behind the kitchen, and stay up to date. The chef of the future will be a skill with knife as data and with data.
Thank you for your advice, Chef Jining. I hope you have a good day.
Okay, bye.